So we're here with a company that you've most likely heard of, right? Because in my head at least, Citrix are one of those companies that kind of sit on top of everything. Like they're like overlooking the entirety of IT. That's my view of it, like in my head.
Okay.
It isn't what you actually do though, right? You don't secretly own Apple or anything. So what do you actually do?
Well, in a lot of ways, Citrix is all about optimizing user experience. So whether it's a Windows app, a mobile app, or a web app, we've got something that will fit into that sort of space and provide the user with the best possible user experience. And it can be over poor links, optimizing that page load so they get the best user use case every time they go into the app. And it's all about giving companies a lot of flexibility so they can spin up a new office, deliver services into the office and not necessarily have infrastructure within that geo. They can be pulling something in from another part of the world. And also we do a lot of work with cloud, so Cloud Expo.
Yep.
We've got offerings that fit with the cloud. We've got our own clouds. We can work with all the other clouds, so Azure, private clouds with things like Rackspace, and AWS, so all the popular ones. So we seem to have pretty much something that will fit with all of that in terms of what we do. So
with a lot of your cloud, one of the things you guys offer is like virtual machines.
Yep.
How simple would it be for someone to spin up a virtual machine?
So say something like Azure, you go into Azure, there's a ready-made kit where you can just press a few buttons and provision a complete Citrix environment. And one of my colleagues was saying there used to be a time when you do a POC and it would take several weeks of provisioning things, configuring things, and he's effectively out of work because you just press a button, you wait 5 minutes, and there's a complete environment up and running, ready for you to access and try out all of our technology. It's all in that one hit. So it's a big enabler to get people into the infrastructure, get them using our technologies. And then we also do, within our other networking products, we have the usual wizards to get people quick started onto using them and enabling access for their users wherever they are.
So Citrix is a large company, probably one of the larger ones here.
Yep.
So you guys work together with a lot of other companies. Are there any sort of...
Well, I suppose the main one at the moment is we're really close to Microsoft.
Yeah.
So we've got some tie-ins with our networking product stack. So if a customer's got things like Intune, so we do a mobility product, see Microsoft do something else. And if you want to use your Microsoft license, you can sweat that and use Intune and then have it fronted by NetScaler and have NetScaler provide you the micro VPN services to give them that user experience. So this gives them a real flexibility so they can mix and match. So we're a bit Swiss in our approach. We don't really care about what platform you're using. We can deliver something that's going to fit with that.
And what are there any partnerships that sort of people wouldn't expect as such that have actually flourished really well?
Well, I suppose the biggest one is the Microsoft one, and I suppose the other one is we've got a great relationship with Cisco as well. So for a while they were OEMing some of our own products, and that led to a lot of their products being supported on our infrastructure. So it integrates with their own switching platform. So it means that when you're delivering services, you don't necessarily have to do things twice. You can configure your Cisco equipment and then push that configuration onto the Citrix ADC, for instance, and it saves you time. It saves you time setting things up, and it gets you into where you need to be, ultimately.
So if people want to find out more about Citrix, and there's a lot to find out, right? There's a lot of things you guys, you do a lot.
Yeah.
To put it simply.
So I think
where's the best place to go for people to find out more?
Well, I suppose Citrix.com is the obvious place. So you go to our main website, it breaks down some of our products, but sometimes people don't really want to be product focused, they want to be business benefit focused.
Yeah.
So there is a solutions section on our main website, so it allows you to go in there and look at some of the solutions that we provide to see how that might fit with your scenario and how we can help you deliver a better user experience to your users.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.